My name is Muhire Sengiba Valentin. I'm a professional teacher in electronics and telecommunication. I learned about electronics and telecommunication in secondary school at Adebenya Rutarama. And after I went to join my studies in IPRC Kigali, just now I hold A1 Advanced Diploma. I have experience of 9 years in teaching career. So I decided to share with others about my knowledge. I chose to open my own channel, YouTube channel, which is called Vava Muhire. Means when you go to Google and you write Vava Muhire, you can follow my channel, and this can help you to acquire a lot of knowledge about electronics, about telecommunication, about electricity, and so on. So I would like to ask everyone to follow me so that we can share and empower our knowledge. And for those who need a coaching, is my talent to help those who need to succeed very well during in national examination. If you need someone to coach you, my phone number is 0930252281. Let me repeat again. 08078302528. Thank you so much. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about domestic installation. So the domestic installation is having 3 types: schematic diagram, wiring diagram, and single line diagram. This is schematic diagram is just here to describe the principal working of two-way switch. We have the second one is wiring diagram. With this wiring diagram, this can help you when you are going to implement two-way switch on installation board. And we have the last one, which is single line diagram. For this one is here just to indicate how many wires is passing through a conduit, how many wires is connected to the junction box, how many wires is linking to junction box, how many wires required to connect here to the ramp. So this is called single line diagram. So I'm going to implement this circuit practically. Be with me and take care of it in order to understand better.
Depending on the position you are staying means you can switch. So this is two-way switch, means you can use two position when you need to switch on or off them. So my tutorial, we shall meet again in the next tutorial. Don't forget to share, and for any comments, don't forget. Thank you so much.